ABB chairman says the Swiss engineering and automation group remains bullish about the outlook of the Chinese economy and expects a boost from China to the firm's electrification, automation and robotics business. ABB, headquartered in Zurich, is a global technology and robotics giant with some 110,000 employees worldwide. Its relationship with China dates back to 1907.
We are since 100 years in China. It's our second biggest market. We had tremendous growth in the first quarter. Personally, but also as a company, we are positive on the outlook of the economy in China, and particularly for our business. We are in electrification. China is getting electrified as well, and we are in automation and robotics. Now, China wants to really drive the automation and robotization of their industries.
In September 2019, ABB broke ground on its new robotics factory in Shanghai. It's expected to be one of the world's most advanced and automated robotics factories.
We are now starting to partially opening, and if the COVID cases do not come back, I think we will then go into 2022 with much more, let's say, a positive outlook on robotics coming out of Shanghai. So we are very pleased with that investment. China is the biggest robotic market in the world. We see huge prospects for us. Our customers are very keen to get our products.